Want to unlock the true potential of Suno AI? It's all about the prompts. First things first, tell Suno what kind of music you want. Start with the genre, then a theme. Let's think laid back, lo fi beat about a rainy day. Need lyrics? Suno got you covered. Write your own or let Suno generate a starting point and edit from there. Now, the secret sauce meta tags. These tell Suno how to structure your song. Verse 1, chorus, and bridge. You get the idea. You can see that when you generate a lyrics. Feeling picky and want a heavy guitar riff on the intro? Use an instrument tag. Here in the instrumental tag. Pro tip: Suno doesn't offer female and male vocals directly, but with some free tools, you can tweak the downloaded audio after generation. And that's it. Thank you for watching all the way until the end, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.